Hello everyone! Today we will draw an elephant juggling a ball. Let's get started.
Let's start with the elephant's head. I'll draw his long trunk and a big happy smile. Now a huge ear on the right. And his bright, happy eyes. Time to draw another big ear on the left. Wow, those are some giant ears. In his trunk, he's holding a round ball. How fun! Let's add a cute bow tie around his neck. Now I'll draw his legs. First, the front legs, then the back legs. Don't forget the little toes. Above the elephant, I'll draw a fluffy cloud in the sky. On the right side, in the background, let's draw two sunny palm trees. First, the trunks, then the leaves, and some grass at the bottom. Now it's time to color. I'll color his eyes blue. The ball will be purple. The bow tie will be purple too. His little toes will be dark gray. And I'll color his smiling mouth red. The whole elephant will be gray. Now I'll color the cloud light blue. The palm leaves will be green. And the palm trunks will be brown. The grass will be green, of course. At the bottom, I'll softly color the background green. And at the top, I'll gently color it blue because the sky is above him. final touches, and we're done. Oh, wow! The little elephant is coming to life. Elephant emoji.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.